Today's going to be probably the highlight of this bunker adventure. Down here, my plan worked well. The people at the hotel I was staying had a contact number for the guy who owns a private bunker down here. Called him up and he was nice enough to offer me to come down and have a look and see what he uses his private bunker for. This feels very surreal, man. I saw this mountain and I was like, yeah, let's go for a drive up it. You don't realize how big these are. Down the bottom, when you're down in the valley driving along through this gorgeous road, you can't even see the top of these mountains. They're covered with cloud. And then you get up here and you're like, holy smokes. But man, what a beautiful spot. Let's go see these bunkers together. I'm Liam.
Liam, hi.
Yeah, nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah.
This is unreal. It was actually hard to find. I got lost for a while.
Okay.
For like 10 minutes I was driving around, but I asked the guy in there, I was like, where's this mushroom bunker?
Yeah.
He was like, down this way. It's massive.
This is natural, like Schlucht in Deutsch.
Yeah.
It's a waterfall on it.
Yeah.
Have you seen it?
I saw there was a hiker going up that way and there's a beautiful waterfall.
Yeah, very nice. Very
Yeah.
nice.
Unbelievable, man.
So this is the mountain. Here it's breaking off rocks
Yep.
for the train rails.
Yep. Ah, for the train
And
rails.
after that I come in here.
Uh-huh.
So,
Got you.
but it's not natural, right?
Yes, yes. So this isn't directly this wasn't built in preparation for war?
No.
Okay, so this is
this
more-
one. No, I have 3 companies. Yes.
Yep.
This one. This is made by hands. This building.
Yep.
And another go close to Gotthard.
Yep.
The pass Gotthard.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Downstairs is 12 caves. I have also.
Oh, wow.
There is for the army.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And I have my mushroom in it.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Okay, there you go.
And the third part is in 5 kilometers on this way.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's come in.
Thank you. And you grow mushrooms?
Yeah.
Mostly mushrooms or anything else?
Only mushrooms.
Only mushrooms, yeah. And why is that? Just because of the climate? Like it's easy, it's better for mushrooms?
Mountains. It's a big safety, big storage for engine.
Yes.
Yeah, the concrete or the rocks.
Yeah.
It's a very big safety. You can save engine, temperature.
Yeah, of course.
And also humidity, water.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
You have the quarters for 1 week.
1 week.
For 1 week. Every
Yep.
week of this batch.
Oh, wow.
And then you grow the mushroom on it.
Yep. And then your mushrooms, you sell them to like restaurants or supermarkets?
Yeah,
or?
yeah. For the big the whole street market.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow. Supermarket. Yeah.
Have a look at that.
Yeah.
What's the go with the lighting? Just like a more
It's
special.
It's an important thing for the mushroom.
Yeah.
They want to come. They for the study for grow up.
Ah, well.
For starting,
Yep. And what's the block made out of?
The blocks in it.
Yeah.
Okay. As you can see here. This is wood.
Yep.
You see wood.
Yep.
And this is from the grain from the corn. From
Ah,
the
yep.
fields.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. What's the name? Is it just one type of mushroom, or you grow many?
Shiitake calling.
How?
Shiitake.
Shiitake.
Wood mushroom. It's calling in Japanese or in
Ah, wood mushroom.
shiitake. Yeah.
Shiitake. Wow, man. Where do you?
Four bags that you can turn. Yeah. Big system.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Where?
So much space. You can
Yeah.
harvest on one side.
100%. Where do you get the wood from? Is it from like because
From the tree.
yeah? Well, from
From the soul, you
Yep.
make the carpenter makes
Exactly.
like this big one, and from the soul you have
yeah, because you get so many
Sawdust.
shavings. Yeah,
Sawdust.
so it's all sawdust.
Yeah.
Just bags of sawdust.
but only on oak.
Only oak.
Only oak.
Uh huh. Quality. Is this the final stage for the mushrooms? Okay.
Or the grow, yes, but
Yeah.
after that is packaging and like this, for the market.
Yeah. So they go in that room first.
No, the first step is my whole place.
Okay.
Mix the raw materials.
Yeah.
Make a pasteurization 1 week.
Yeah.
Then spout it with the spout, the mushroom
Yeah.
is cultivated on this one. You
Oh
see?
well. Yep.
And
It
then we can sow it. Put in, yes.
By hand or by machine?
Oh, machine.
Yeah, I was gonna say, mamma mia.
And then in this process is 1 or 2 weeks.
Yep.
And then come inside in here. First
Yep.
week is there.
Yep.
5 more weeks upstairs, you see.
Yep,
later.
yep, upstairs.
And then finally here 2 months.
2 months in here.
Yeah.
Wow.
One cycle. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That's unreal.
But in Australia, also mushrooms. Yes.
We have mushrooms in Australia, but in Australia,
No caves.
no crazy caves, man.
Yeah.
So for me, this is like Switzerland, everywhere, caves, bunkers.
Bunkers and.
Oh, it's unreal.
I have 12 more, but it's 30 kilometers from here.
12 more.
Wow. This is for the harvest from today.
Yep.
If you see.
And then at this stage, you have to hand pick them.
Yes.
Yes.
This is a big one.
Yeah.
I like this one, so this one is a big one. I think it was behind.
Yeah. Wow, man.
This
That's
one
unreal.
you look different from the first, yes?
Yes. Yep.
This is 6 weeks older.
Ah, because
Here's
it's
the
more.
mushroom is growing with the raw materials.
Yes. Yes.
Now this is ready for growing.
Yep. Yep.
This is
Wow.
for next week.
Yep. Wow, man.
Cool down, make a shock.
Yeah.
Maybe you'll start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're from Switzerland.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
So you'd be able to tell me there's mandatory military service, yes?
Yes.
For like 2 years or something?
No, the regular 1 year, then it's finished.
Okay.
I do a little bit more, so I have almost 2 years.
Yes.
I'm a sergeant. So,
Yes.
yeah, I love this work with work with people.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I was wondering because military service is mandatory.
Yeah.
But it's been amazing because obviously Australia there's no bunkers, but here there is bunkers everywhere, and they're hidden. Most people wouldn't see them, but if you look, you can see like, oh, there's a bunker.
You don't see it from outside. It's very small. Okay.
Yeah,
It's like a play garden. Yeah.
yeah, but then you go in and it's massive.
Great. I switch a light on. It's very.
Okay, bro, look at this. Okay, well I stand corrected. This wasn't originally a military bunker, so that's a correction. Wow. And then, so this was, you took this over from the, like a mining company?
Can took them over. I rent.
Ah, you rent it. Okay, I see.
You can buy it. Yeah.
Yeah, because
You can buy caves. It's not possible.
okay,
Yeah,
because there's a lot of the military bunkers.
Yeah.
They say that they were decommissioned,
Yeah.
and then some people buy them privately.
Yeah.
It's
For sure.
it's hard to know.
In the past, 10 years before, I can buy some caves. Yeah.
Yes.
But for me, so this is my business. Yeah.
Yeah.
And when you have young peoples, my son, my daughters,
Yeah.
you don't have interest in the sector. So what you do with bunkers?
Yeah.
You can sell it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So it's, you
So, okay,
rent the
I've owned
space.
it for my time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Got you.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
And this is the production for till beginning of December.
Okay.
Yeah. All on this stock here.
And being in here where you can control the environment,
Yes.
you can grow mushrooms all year.
Yes.
Yes. So all year round.
I control every batch.
Yeah.
It's a temperature sensor on it on this 4 times.
Ah,
I
right.
can cool when you environment.
Yep.
I can warm up. It's for sure. You must control the climate.
Yeah.
You must control it.
Yeah.
Very important. But in the cave,
Yeah.
the climate is nearly perfect.
Yeah, stays
So,
consistent.
Very stable. Now I have the warmest time from the period of the year. Now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now is the warmest.
Now it's the long time outside warm,
Yeah.
goes to the autumn.
Yeah.
Okay, then goes down. Okay,
Yeah.
they have to pick now. Huh?
Yeah.
And here is 20.
Yeah.
And downstairs in a production room it's 15.
Ah.
And in the winter it goes to April, May, April, March, April like this. We have 11, 12. It's only
It's
a little
very
bit
consistent.
different,
Yeah. Wow.
huh? So I must not a lot of invest in the climate.
Yes, yes, because it's expensive to control the climate.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
This is active, huh?
Yeah.
Every block is active. You can feel it's warm.
It's warmer. Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. That's hectic. I've never seen such a big production scale.
Yeah.
That's cool,
But it's
man.
nearly to your business, huh?
Yeah, well,
Every tree have a mushroom. Every tree.
yes, yeah,
For sure.
yeah, true.
Otherwise it's not growing, huh?
Yeah. How did you even get into this business? Like, what makes you want to...
In the beginning I was a plane mechanic.
A plane mechanic?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
But my parents
Big
stopped in the
difference.
sector, so
So
my
family.
parents told me, hey, which one they took them over.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, here, look, very nice. Here is the climb,
Yeah.
and there on the corner you see a hole from 3 meters. You
Yeah.
see it?
Up there. Yep.
The fresh air comes to the other cave, to this cave, and the air comes in this big, massive hole,
Yeah.
cave,
Yep. Yep.
and then bad air goes outside. Huh? The
Wow.
bad air is why we have CO2 production with
Yeah.
organic. Huh?
Yes. Yes.
So okay, we need fresh air.
Yeah. So
And-
does it naturally come in, or you
I
pump it in?
A little fan.
Yeah, fan blowing it
yeah,
in.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
And outside you have seen the pipes downstairs.
Yeah.
Just for bad air outside.
Does it blow it out, or naturally goes out?
No, blow it out.
You blow it. Whenever I see these big bunkers, I always think, how much does it cost to keep everything running?
Yeah.
It must be a lot. But
Yeah.
what's your biggest expense? Like water, electricity, or in terms of keeping this running? And
The safety around the cave. You see down outside the net.
yes,
Yeah?
yeah,
It's very expensive. Huh?
yeah,
Before you can stop in, you must safety the rocks.
yeah. Make sure it's all
so
safe.
Very expensive for one time. Huh?
Mm,
Okay.
yes.
And then the biggest one is the manpower.
Ah, yes, yeah.
Manpower. Electrician, mostly nothing.
Yes, yeah,
We have a natural climate, and this is perfect.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So safety
Only-
and
only
power.
work, yeah. Safety and power.
Yeah. Wow.
Manpower. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it only Switzerland, or you
I sell only Switzerland.
only Switzerland?
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
When was this sort of bought out? This cave? When did they?
In 1930
1930. Okay.
till 70.
Okay.
40 years.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
So yeah, well, just before World War II.
Yeah.
Uh huh.
Yeah.
That's when a lot of these. It seems like a
But
lot
it's
of
not
these.
for the war.
Yeah, yeah, correct.
World War. It was for the train rails. Huh?
Yep. 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 For the
It's,
stone.
Yeah.
Wow.
You see the rock, yeah? You have here one
Yeah.
slice from the rock,
Yeah.
and then when you go outside, you have another slice from the rock, and in the middle, it's like a crashing zone.
Yes. Yes. That's incredible, man.
You open the top to me, it's good for the rails, so,
Yeah.
for train rails. So I don't know.
Yeah. Wow.
You see this massive, yeah,
Yeah.
and this one here, and
Yeah.
in the middle, is like a scratching zone. Huh?
Yep. Yep.
Then put them out.
That's hectic. Switzerland, the Swiss people, very good at digging holes in mountains. Very good. I've read online that most people in Switzerland, or a lot of houses, have bunkers as well.
Yeah, this is a rule in Switzerland. Eh?
Yes.
When you build a house, you must have a safety area for the war.
Ah, you have to have one, and still in place today, because that was.
Place, or you don't need in a new buildings,
Yeah.
so you can rent by the government.
Yes.
So you can go there, but you take some money there.
Yeah, because that was 1960s. I think
Yes.
I think they brought that rule in.
Yeah.
Wow. So still today, people
These
if
are
they build
already
houses,
working every time, but the war is
it's ever
coming or not coming.
ever imposing. Yeah, for
But
sure.
The war is changing, when
Yeah.
you're working with nuclear, so it's
Oh, yeah.
1 month later finished.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That was amazing. Thank you for your time. I don't want to take up too much of your time, but
You have some cards like this?
I don't, no. But yeah, I'd love to take one of yours.
Can you send me some information for you?
Of course,
Okay?
of course, yeah. That was cool, man. Shout out to Alex. Thank you for showing me around. That was very cool. So yeah, not for military purpose, but he has other bunkers that he uses for the same thing that were for military purpose, but still the key points, drilling and creating these channels and these caves in the mountains prior to World War II.